Converting int to bytes in Python 3. I was trying to build this bytes object in Python 3. B'3/r/n. So I tried the obvious, for me, and found a weird behavior. Apparently. I've been unable to see any pointers on why the bytes conversion works this way reading the documentation. However, I did find some surprise messages in this Python issue about adding format to bytes. See also Python 3 bytes formatting. This URL. This interacts even more poorly with oddities like bytes int returning zeros now. And it would be much more convenient for me if bytes int returned the ASCIification of that int, but honestly, even an error would be better than this behavior. If I wanted this behavior, which I never have, I'd rather it be a class method, invoked like bytes.0s_n. Can someone explain me where this behavior comes from?
Python 3.5 Plus introduces % interpolation, print style formatting, for bytes. See PEP 0461, adding % formatting to bytes and byte array. On earlier versions, you could use str and .encode ASCII the result. Note, it is different from what int.to_bytes produces.
From Python 3.2 you can use to_bytes. Accordingly, x equals int underscore from underscore bytes int underscore to underscore bytes x. Note that the above encoding works only for unsigned, non-negative, integers. For signed integers, the bit length is a bit more tricky to calculate.
That's the way it was designed, and it makes sense because usually, you would call bytes on an iterable instead of a single integer. The docs state this, as well as the doc string for bytes.
You can use the struct pack. The is the byte order, big endian, and the I is the format character. So you can be specific if you want to do something else. This works the same on both Python 2 and Python 3. Note, the inverse operation, bytes to int, can be done with unpack.